Why, and hello, we're back with Brutal Legend.
It,
That
and
flawless
here's
hair.
Lion White to taunt us.
New uniforms.
Looks like angel hair. Like the pasta.
Yeah, we can't actually, like, attack
Cross?
him, but...
Oh.
Don't come any farther, or you'll find out why they call it the Screaming Wall.
Jerk.
Jerk. Ugh, something tells me you can't cross over that. Oh, can you? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, it cools off fairly quickly.
Here we go.
Oh, does the screaming wall just heat it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, they have nice hats.
Whatever.
Ah. It's so hard to tell who's an enemy here.
The bad guy humans are sparklier.
Right.
You guys are my personal honor guard, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Oh boy.
Oh, so you have to like cross with caution because you don't know when it's going to turn into lava?
I mean, it's mostly there to, like, kind of sort of bar our, like make sure we progress at a specific rate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. Alright,
Ooh.
let's see this thing.
Have to come back later and check it out when I'm not on a mission.
Ha!
Whatever. Alright. So here we are, the Screaming Wall.
Okay, you guys want to help out? All right,
Ew.
can you do this? Great. Now over here. I'll be right back.
I'm helping.
Aww.
Alright.
Helping is cool.
Yeah.
Now those are some speakers.
All right, careful with those. The feedback from them is deadly. Lift with your knees, not your backs. You got it? Okay, let's head out.
Ew. I mean,
Oh shit.
yeah, that is the
Oh
proper
shit.
technique.
Oh shit. No, 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 no.
Can you shake those gulls? I don't like the sound of that.
Yeah, okay, you can't really see them, but
Yeah.
do you notice something weird about the seagulls?
Not to be toyed with.
Are they deadly? No, I can't tell. They just look like seagulls. What are they doing?
Okay, you can't really see them all too well, can you?
No.
Okay, we'll get a close-up of them eventually, but let's just say the seagulls are just as deadly an obstacle, shit, as,
We gotta do something to get rid of those gulls.
Ugh.
yeah, alright, now we gotta go, do we go this way, or, let me see.
Aren't you just going towards the wall?
Yeah, no, we gotta go that way now.
Mm-hmm.
Which,
Let's do that again sometime.
am I going the right way? It's really hard to hear because, it's really hard to see because there's like, no, we're going the wrong way. It's like there's no real good like indicator on the actual HUD, so.
I guess you're just going forward from where the birds are coming from, right?
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, that's the, okay. You can't, I guess you can't see that. Look at their bodies very closely.
Just tell me, man.
They're microphones.
Oh, God.
Yeah, can you imagine why this would be a bad thing?
Yeah, because they're feedback speakers.
Yeah, with the wall as well.
Yeah, that's bad.
Yep.
Oh, no.
Geez, oh geez, oh geez.
Ooh.
Hey, let's make some real feedback.
Oh, God.
Great work.
Hope the seagulls won't appear. Oh no,
Jeez,
they're
it's-
seagulls.
it's
They're seagulls.
really,
They're seagulls.
Yeah, it's really hard to see as well. Hold up.
Thank you, ladies.
All right, yeah, there they are. The Razor Girls were stayed behind to I guess provide cover fire.
If you
Right.
hear my voice, come here.
Ah, jeez.
Oh no.
Go away.
They come quick.
Yeah, they're stupid birds.
I'll admit, birds are dumb.
Well, seagulls are the worst. Like in my old high school,
Oh, birds.
we like for lunch area, like obviously in a high school you get like a lunch area that's sometimes outside,
Of course.
and we like our high school had a seagull problem, which is weird because you've seen where my high school is, and does it look and is it near water?
No.
Yeah,
Weird.
It makes you wonder where the fuck the seagulls came from.
From hell.
Well, they were just there for so long that they found that there was no reason for them to go back to water
Right.
for the most part.
Well, I wanted to make sure you got
That's
Oh,
very
jeez.
silly.
It was
Seagulls at a
aggravating.
school that's not even near water.
I am not a fan of seagulls.
Lars.
Of course I do. He's a great man. An inspirational leader. Selfless, heroic. Not that hard to look at either. His chest.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Listen to that music.
It's pretty cheesy music.
Isn't it?
Yeah. What car is that? Is that the tour bus?
Yeah, that's the tour bus.
That was quite the victory.
Yeah, sure.
Would you mind if we went back separately? I just don't think a bunch of gossip would help us right now, okay?
Gotcha.
Oh, but you gotta love that gossip.
How did she get so close to him with all that shit on her belt and whatnot?
French kiss instructor.
Ah, cool. All right, secondary missions. Neat. Meet the roadies at the Cleve. New items available at the Motor Forge. Hell yeah.
You gotta go.
All right, well, let's go back down there to get that shit. And I do believe there is a secondary mission around the wall too,
Also, there was like a lookout.
Yeah, that's what
thing.
there it is. That's what I'm going back for. All right. Yeah.
That's quite the wall.
Right? I love this fucking game world. I always wanted it to maybe continue on in like a comic form, maybe.
Uh-huh.
Because I can understand if making another video game would be a bit much.
Right.
Um,
Considering all the people that were involved in it.
yeah, and not just that. It's that Tim Schafer doesn't really do sequels. I mean, he's trying to get fucking Psychonauts 2 made, and they are making it. Like, they got kickstarted for it and everything, but it is taking a while.
Right. Another
And
brutal
like,
legend.
and Psychonauts is one of is ostensibly his most well-known property.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
The ground is shaking.
Yeah, that's the like this place is periodically affected by the wall.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, yes. So like if he's having that much trouble getting fucking Psychonauts off the ground, like Brutal Legend is not on that list.
Yeah, understandably. But that would be cool if there was a comic for it.
Yeah,
The art looks great.
Like the style of it just lends itself to something that could potentially continue on past the video game. Like a comic or an animated adventure of some sort.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Like, it just seems like there's so much still left to do with the world of Brutal Legend. And it's a bit of a bummer that we'd probably never get to see it in the foreseeable future.
Well, I guess you can fangirl about it more in the next episode.
Ah, really? Already?
Yup.
Alright, well, next episode, we'll have some more fun with Brutal Legend, folks. Pardon us if we're a little low energy. I'll explain that in the next episode.
Alrighty, everyone. Take care.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.